Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. The summer special recipes are back with a bang, and today's amazing recipe is mango green tea splash. Hearing this word itself makes our mind feel refreshed. If we try it, I know you will like it for sure. So let's get into this, understand what all ingredients we require to prepare this recipe. Firstly, we require a few ice cubes, 1 cup of mango pulp and 1/4 cup of green tea. Now, method of preparation. For this, you need to take 1 glass, add few ice cubes into it, add green tea, and now add the mango pulp. Once you added the mango pulp, give it a proper mix. Make sure it mixes properly. Yes, now you can add few mint leaves, which is completely optional. It just depends upon your taste. And here's the yummy mango green tea splash is ready. So, isn't it amazing? Now let's know about the benefits of this recipe. As we have added green tea into it, green tea is rich in antioxidants. It prevents type 2 diabetes, increases fat burning, prevents cardiovascular diseases, and improves brain function. Whereas mango, which is a seasonal fruit, it is high in antioxidants, vitamin C, supports the heart health, improves digestive health, and improves the hair and skin health. Isn't it amazing? So why don't you try it? And after you try it, let me know your experience in the comment section below. And if you have liked this video, please do like, share, and subscribe with your loved ones. I will come up with an amazing recipe in my next week's video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.